If you can't find downloaded videos or missing WhatsApp images on your phone, or you think someone has actually hidden some files on your phone, then this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can find hidden files on any Android phone. And if you like simple Android tips that actually works, then you need to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Now let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take is to go to your file manager app like this. Yours might be file, yours might be file manager, yours might be my files. So anyone it is, and if you don't have any at all on your device, you can go to your Play Store like this or your App Store, click on the search button and search for files. You can just go ahead and search for my files, anyone. So just go ahead and search for files like this, and you're going to see file manager. Now this is the one I'm using here, which is files. So after installing it on your device, you just need to go ahead and open the file app like this. So the next step you need to take here, in order for you to see the hidden files on your Android device, the first step you need to take is to click on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. So when you do that like this, looking here, you can see where it says show hidden files. So once that is done, you're going to see some hidden files that just appeared now. Looking here, you can see some hidden files. In order for you to identify those ones that are hidden files, they usually have a dot before the name of the file. So anyone you see that begins here with a dot, like the first one here, which is .ACESLF, that is ACSEF, that is it. So you just need to go ahead and find those ones that start with dot, like this one here, which is .data storage. So you just need to find those ones that starts with dots. Those are the ones that we are hidden before you actually allow them to be shown. So this is how simple it is to see and find your hidden files on your Android device. You can now go ahead and open any of them and access the content on it. So this is how simple it is to find your hidden files on your Android device. Now do wait to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. See you in the next one.